Hello, welcome. It's a dedicated project which is relatively simple but which picks up all these core things we have got to know. It's from Udemy, the React, the complete guide course. We can add user like Karim and 2022 add user, so add user. If we enter the name and if we give empty the age, and then if we add user, so um, error message is showing, which is overlay here. We can dismiss it by clicking OK or clicking backdrop. So if we give all the input section empty, then if we click add user, so it's other text is showing there. So this project's also covered by this project covers a lot of beautiful React feature like the idea of component, reusable component, wrapper, and then dynamic CSS, styling, and pass data by using PR props, React fragment, and React DOM.create portal, use state, use of ref, and so on.